Dark Pulse Inc. DPLS stock. It closed the session of the 31st of August 2021 at $0.1265, a retracement of 2.99%. And we have a position in Dark Pulse. It's important that we indicate that to you. I think about 24 million shares crossed the tape during that session, below average. And what we're looking at right now is that it has pulled back a bit, slightly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 4 sessions now. It's been retracing. It has now fallen below the 10-day moving average, and now trading in between the 10 and the 20-day moving averages. That is, I mean, to some extent it's good. At least, we want it to pull back a bit while it's on its upward trajectory, and yeah, that's good. I mean, to some extent, it provides an opportunity for market participants to redeem their whole strategy and see if they're going to pick up more. There's a good chance it will even continue to extend further and challenge these highs, this 52-week high of 0.17 it had as at the 9th of July 2021. So moving down, we have some news out there, and it is about the same issuance of about 27.297 million shares, and at the price of $0.12088, which is just slightly below where it closed at for this session. Maybe that may have impacted this 4 sessions of retracement we saw with the stock. So momentum has just also cooled off as well. It's slightly declining. MACD has just converged with its signal line, but momentum, let's see, momentum is holding up at 53.3. So the analysis is that it appears to be consolidating within a longer term uptrend. Yes, the underlying trend for Dark Pulse is still very much bullish. So shares are presently above the 200-day moving average, which is rising along with the 10-day moving average. However, the average directional index is below 20, indicating that the shares have exhibited sideways movements. It's outperforming the S&P 500. That's good. Momentum is for DPLS stock, as measured by 14-period Slow Stochastic Oscillator, is waning. Yes, it is waning. We saw that. This means that investors have been less aggressive in their recent purchases and may even be taking profits from positions bought at lower prices. That is likely to be the case. The volume for the 31st of August 2021 was lighter than usual, trading 24.138 million shares versus an average of 148.96 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer term accumulation has given way to near term selling pressure by traders. Okay, so momentum and the volume figures, they are in unison. It's just a validation that consolidation and retracement has been occurring, and volatility still remains pretty much high, 492.22 for the last 10 trading sessions. So moving on, what can we see? What else is there out there? Let's see. We have this is the ranges as at the close of the 31st of August 2021. Let's see, it closed at 0.127. Is that the case? Yes, it closed at approximately 0.1265. Okay, let's see, 0.1265, 0.1265. That's where it closed. So we can see that's the range. So this is the one standard deviation range, so you can clearly see it is trading outside this range, not before. It's outside this range, but not before, but behind. You can see that lower beneath this range. So, and that is also the case with the 20-day. It's also the case with the 50-day. It's trading outside this range, so it's good. It is based on the data it has. it is expected that it should be trading within this range, and it is not. So even though it has been retracing for 4 sessions, technically it is still regarded as being slightly trading at a discount. It's regarded it's obviously you can see it's trading at a discount technically, based on what we are doing now, based on this analysis we've just done for the 10-day period, for the 20-day period, and the 50-day period. So that's some positive. It's expected to be trading within those ranges, and it is not. So probably because of this retracement. So that's some positive. Has it ever really traded within that range? Yes, probably a few sessions ago it was trading within that range, but given all that has happened of late, now it is now trading outside of those ranges, especially 10-day range. So fingers crossed. If you are keen on picking up more positions, by all means try and do so. This is a good time as well. It has pulled back. The signals are still very much okay. The fact that it has retraced, naturally you would expect some of the signals to cool off a bit, turn bearish slightly, but all in all, we still recommend it, and we ourselves have to increase our position there as well. Okay, so we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.